When we think of a sculpted body, most people imagine endless hours at the gym, heavy weights, high-intensity workouts, counting reps. But what if I told you that you could sculpt, tone, and strengthen your body, not through force, but through flow? Yoga has a remarkable way of reshaping the body, lengthening your muscles, carving out definition, improving posture, and enhancing strength from the inside out. Today's routine is designed exactly for that 12 transformative yoga poses that tone your arms, legs, core, back, and glutes, while keeping your movements elegant and controlled. Breathe deeply, transition slowly, and feel your body awaken into power with every posture. 1. Plank pose. Start strong. Hold your body like a straight line from heels to head. Engage your core, tighten your glutes, and feel your shoulders supporting your strength. This pose builds full body tone, especially your abs and arms. 2. Chair pose. Bend your knees as if sitting in an invisible chair. Arms rise overhead. Hold. Feel your thighs and glutes burn, that sculpting happening with every breath. 3. Warrior 2. Step wide. Lunge into one leg, arms extended parallel to the floor. This pose shapes your legs while sharpening your endurance. Stay grounded, powerful like a warrior. 4. Side plank. Shift into a side plank. Stack your feet. Lift your hips. One arm supporting whole body strength. Targets obliques, shoulders, and improves muscle definition on the sides of the waist. 5. Crescent lunge. Rise tall. Step one leg forward, back heel lifted. Arms stretch upward, sculpting thighs, calves, and deep glute muscles while enhancing balance. 6. Boat pose. Sit and lean back slightly, lifting legs and extending arms forward. Hold. Your core becomes the anchor, builds abdominal definition, and strengthens lower back. 7. Locust pose. Lie on your stomach. Lift chest, arms, and legs. This intense back-strengthening pose tones the spinal muscles, hamstrings, and glutes. Creates a stronger and more athletic back. 8. Reverse tabletop. Sit with knees bent, feet flat, hands behind you. Lift hips upward. This pose beautifully sculpts arms, shoulders, and posterior chain while opening the chest. 9. Triangle pose. Extend one hand down to shin or floor, the other arm up. Lengthens the side body and tones your waist, thighs, and core. Stay long, not collapsed. 10. Warrior 3. Stand tall, lean forward, lifting back leg to form a straight line. Arms extend forward. Full body sculpting with focus on balance, core control, glutes, hamstrings, and stabilizers. 11. Dolphin pose. Forearms on the mat, hips lift. Like downward dog on elbows. Strengthens shoulders and arms while sculpting upper body definition without strain. 12. Bridge pose. Lie on your back. Bend knees, lift hips up, squeeze glutes. Strengthens thighs, back, and core while improving posture. A perfect finishing sculpting pose. As you settle down, take a deep breath and let your body absorb the strength you've cultivated today. Sculpting your body isn't about aggression, it's about building power with grace, precision, and intention. Each pose today wasn't just movement, it was refinement, shaping not just your muscles but the way you carry yourself in daily life. If you felt the burn, that's progress. If you felt the control, that's transformation. Like this video if you enjoyed the session. Comment below which pose made you feel strongest. Subscribe for more powerful yoga routines that shape your body and uplift your mind. Let's sculpt strength together, one breath at a time.